Do you want to spend a day of luxury in Italy? Well, stay tuned and we're going to tell you all you need to know to spend a fantastic day in the province of Modena and feel like royalty.
Stay tuned.
Hi everyone, I'm Rick.
And I'm Andrea, and today we'll tell you all you need to know about the day of luxury in Italy. But first, if you like travel-related videos like this one, now is a perfect time to hit the subscribe button so you never miss any future videos. So, everyone knows the must-see city in Italy, like Venice, Rome, Amalfi Coast, but not many people actually visit Modena, a northern Italian city where you can experience some of the most luxurious products that Italy has to offer.
Yeah, that's actually quite true. So let's begin talking about Modena's black gold. No, we're not talking about oil. You're not going to find any oil rigs in Modena. Instead, you guys are going to find balsamic vinegar. And it has a price that can reach $4,000 a liter. That way, it's much more expensive than gold. And Modena is only one of 2 provinces in Italy that can produce it. So folks, on your next trip to Italy, consider visiting one of the acciaierie of Modena. These are the balsamic vinegar factories. Here is some footage of our recent visit to Acciaierie Leonardi. They showed us how the process of converting grape juice into balsamic vinegar gets done. First, they cook the juice for a day and a half at low temperature to concentrate the natural sugars. Then, the juice is placed in barrels where bacteria is converted into vinegar.
I know, it's fantastic, isn't it? To obtain traditional balsamic vinegar, and no, it's not the one that you can find at a supermarket, it's a completely different stuff. They use a set of barrels made of different type of wood. The vinegar is left there to age and concentrate for at least 12 years minimum.
Yep.
It is left in the attic because it requires warm and humid summer and cold and dry winter. Each year, a small portion of the vinegar is collected from the smallest barrel, then the same amount is taken from the slightly larger barrel and placed in the small barrel and replenished. And then the same amount is taken from the next larger barrel and put in this second larger barrel, and so on till they reach the biggest barrel. At the end, the same amount of cooked juice is added to the largest barrel to bring it back to the initial level.
Oh, that makes a lot of sense. So every year they just keep adding more.
Adding and moving.
As you can see, this incredible product is made with just 2 ingredients: grape juice and thyme. At the acciaierie, you can have a tasting of different ages of vinegar, from the young ones all the way to 100-year-old balsamic vinegar. Yes, folks, you heard that correctly. They have some balsamic vinegar that has been sitting in these barrels for 100 years and more. Not only that, look at these incredible barrels that have been working their magic for 150 years. Can you believe it?
But they cannot taste that one, unfortunately.
Well, that one you can't. Well, you can buy it, though.
You can buy it.
You can taste a product made from different types of wood, such as cherry wood and juniper wood. Each little spoon is an explosion of flavor that will make your taste buds crazy. Of course, you can enjoy a small lunch as well of the local delicacies at the acciaierie.
That's fantastic. Your day luxury in Italy can continue with tasting of some of the famous Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Word of caution, this is not the same stuff you find in the green can at home. Not quite. Your day luxury in Italy can continue with the tasting of the world-famous Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Word of caution, this is not the same stuff you can find in the green can back at home.
But you can find it at Costco.
You can find it at Costco. It is quite a sight to see rows and rows of wheel of cheese stacked neatly. And by the way, the smell is intoxicating. You can also see how cheese is made from the milk of cows that only eat grass from a specific area of Italy. And they cannot eat anything else.
So true, and they're so serious about it.
I know.
After your day of luxury in Italy, treating yourself to cheese and balsamic vinegar, now it's time to thrill yourself. In Modena, you can visit the birthplace of Ferrari. Yes, you can go see where the legendary cars were once made and see the museum with a display of so many different cars and engines. You can also use the F1 simulator and experience the thrill of driving an F1 car. But folks, the real thrill is to go down to Maranello, a few kilometers south of downtown Modena, and drive a Ferrari yourself.
Yes, just a few steps away from the modern Ferrari factory, you can find a place where you can actually rent a Ferrari or a Lamborghini if you want.
Yep.
And you can drive it around in the streets of Maranello. You can also arrange to drive these amazing cars in an actual racetrack and experience the thrill of those incredible engines and go as fast as you can. The experience is quite incredibly customizable, and you can drive a Ferrari for 10 minutes for a little over 100 euros. So it's quite affordable. Not bad, huh?
Yep, definitely. Yeah, and to end your day of luxury in Italy, you can go and have an amazing dinner in one of the many restaurants in downtown Modena and experience some of the best food in Italy.
Absolutely. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video about great things that you can experience and find around Modena. If you want to know more, please leave a comment below and we would love to hear from you and answer as best as we can. Meanwhile, yes, see you next video.
Bye, guys.